together. Let's turn banana to plantain. Plantain and egg. This is banana. Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Happiness Ada. How you guys doing? Happy weekend to you all. As for me, I'm doing great. I'm about to prepare my breakfast. Plantain today. This is how we do it. I don't see African plantain. So when I see banana, I feel like eating plantain. I'll fry it. I'll turn it to plantain. I use it to do breakfast. That's how we do it here. This is banana. Guys, see the size. This is banana. This is banana, but I'm going to be using it to make plantain. To fry it. I feel like, oh, this one is good. This one looks like plantain, but banana. This is it. This is done. Guys, I don't know how to use a chopping board to chop all the seeds. I prefer using my hands to cut. People use chopping board to cut all those things, but me, my hands, best. This is pepper. I love putting enough pepper inside egg. Without that, I can't be able to eat it. I used to the onions is brown, so you can add your tomato. Join me for breakfast. There's love in sharing. We're making egg sauce to eat plantain. This is tomato. I'll be adding it inside the egg. That's how I fry. And you see it? The tomato, the pepper, and onions. I add them inside the egg. It looks like. Time to transfer it inside the frying pan. Very delicious. Yummy. Let's turn the egg. The reason why I add the fried tomato, onions and pepper inside the fresh egg before frying, I don't want the egg to come out in pieces. I want it this way. If I happen to do that, if I put it direct to the tomato, it won't come out this way. So I don't want pieces egg. Okay? Yeah, that's the reason why. So let my method is very good and the egg will be very delicious. Let's check the other side. The egg is ready. Ready. This is our banana plantain. Plantain your area, don't bother yourself, okay? You can get banana everywhere. Just get it, slice it, fry it with egg. Delicious. This egg has many things inside. And I love my egg brown. I don't like eating white egg. So you have to burn small before I eat. So this is my breakfast this morning.